guys, Jacinth here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix up a radiator. So I got this radiator for $100 from a member of the S2000 community because this is a Koyorad radiator. It's thicker and stronger than the factory S2000 radiator. Most radiators from the factory have a plastic end tank. So see these little silver things right here? They're just called end tanks. And usually they're made out of plastic and they're kind of stamped onto the aluminum. And that works generally pretty well. But the end tanks in my car kind of exploded. So it's seeping coolant from the top end tank. So I decided to go with an aluminum one because this is welded aluminum. So it's not going to break off like, you know, a cheaper end tank. And now the way I'm gonna fix this is by using an assortment of little tools I have. Now you don't have to use these tools, but this is just what I have on hand, just around the house, and I really don't want to spend any money. My first tool is tweezers. Tweezers are gonna be used to straighten out these fins. And these are just aluminum fins. They're very easy to bend and push around. So tweezers are enough. I also have 3 little electrical connectors to like kind of manipulate things. Now I have these 2 spade connectors. These are going to be used to straighten out the fins like this. So I'll stick it into a fin, grab it like that with these 2, and then pull it up. And this is going to be used for really tight spaces where the tweezer's too thick to get in. Now lastly, I have this electrical connector. And this is going to be used to go under and scoop up little misbehaving fins, you know, where these things cannot get in and grab. So such as where the fin is folded in on itself, I can use this to pull it up. So you'll see a bit of that as I go through this. But I've been working on this already, and you can see there's already a major improvement. Where you see all these little imperfect fins, these were actually folded in just like these fins right here. So I've been making some good progress already. So let's just continue. I'm going to do a little bit for the video. I don't want to bore you guys. So let's start right here on this fin here. Let's see if I can flip this around so you can see. Let's fix this fin right here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to try going in with my tweezers first. I'm going to try to push this around. Okay, looks like I'm straightening this out nicely right here. So you can see that fin is fixed. Might be a bit hard to see, but this is kind of what I got right now. So now maybe I want to, there's a little divot here. I don't know if you can see it, but this little divot here is a bit hard to get in. So I'm gonna bring my hook attachment or hook connector and just going to go in and pull up on it. You can see right there, it's straightening it out pretty nicely. Then I'll just knock this over. It's not the right tool to use. I'm gonna use the spade connector. I think this is the spade connector. I'm probably using the wrong terminology, but oh well. Okay, that's in place. As you can see. Now I can bring this up. I'm just gonna go in all the way in and just drag it all the way up. Check that out. Isn't that much better? Now I'm gonna pause it here and do the rest of this little area here. Keep it in this exact position, and we'll come back to it when I fix it. Alright guys, so now you can check this out. This is the damage status so far. You can see it is much better than before. I don't know if I'm focusing on the right part. I can't even tell on the camera. But this area right here is the part that was fixed. And as you can see, I was able to do that much with just, you know, these kind of tools. And you don't have to use these tools, but I definitely recommend tweezers. But you know, I think a really small screwdriver would do an even better job than this. And in the process, I actually ended up chopping one of the prongs off of this connector. So now this is strictly a pull up tool, like a hook tool. But with that, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll put an update of the fully fixed up radiator at the end. So yeah, check that out.